I'm back, and I'm about to try to get this clutch in. I don't know how many times I've said that. This is like my third time trying to film this same video, but here we are. I'm gonna get this rear main seal put in the right spot, and then start bolting up the clutch. I'm really having high hopes that I can get this thing back together tonight or within the weekend. Make a video for you guys and get it out by next week. I do have Jacob and Dylan. They're coming. They want to help out again, so I appreciate them wanting to come down here and help me, give me the motivation to do stuff, because I suck. I suck at like the motivation. I really just want to drive. I'm not even like a big fan of working on the car. I just like to drive the cars, but I do want to learn. So I got to force myself on doing that and just grow on learning all kinds of stuff on cars. Back to this. Let's get started. I've been waiting like 2 weeks on this thing. It's a freaking rear main seal. Napa gave me the wrong one for a German engine, like from imported engine or something like that. They gave me a gray one that didn't even look anything like this one. So yeah, I had to wait like a week and a half, 2 weeks on this one. And now we finally got the correct one. It looks exactly like this. I'll take it out of the box actually real quick. Show you guys. Yeah, that's the good one. So, let's get this thing in. All right, let's get this rear main seal in and start doing the clutch. All right, guys. We're trying to get this rear main seal seated up in here. I hope it doesn't pop out or anything. But I gotta get this part down in there. There's like a lip. There's a little lip to it. I can't really show you guys because it's pretty dark. Alright, if you guys can see, I think I got it all the way around almost. I just gotta tap in this lower bottom side. Let's tap this in, hopefully, and not fudge anything up. Oh, I've never done this before, so I have no clue how far to go in. I don't even know if this is the correct way to do it, but I'm using a hammer, guys. It's going in though. Sweet. All right, just a little bit more. We'll get back with you guys. Fudge it. It's in. I probably didn't need to change the other one, but you should probably do that. It'd be smart. Feels flush. What do you think, Jacob?
It's pretty good.
Yep. Bearing is in, and now the rear main seal is in. It's taken me so long, but it's whatever. We'll be back out on the track next year. Jacob is sticking the dual mass flywheel. Alright, we got the flywheel, dual mass flywheel up. We are about to put on the clutch.
Thanks.
Yes.
I've ran over 500 miles.
Torquing the bolts down right now. It's pretty much done. Oh, this ain't too bad. Let me get under there, Joe. Where you're.
Go ahead.
Yeah. All right. I got it.
Okay. Up.
Alright, I'm gravy back here. I'm gravy.
Up.
Up where? I can't go anymore. We're gonna have to shift it up in, I think, right? It's gonna have to. Yep.
Oh.
Exactly.
Watch out.
Alright. Oh man, that was terrible. Alright. Alright, so we're hitting up there. I can see it. Alright, stop. Lower it down a little bit. This left top side is hitting a little bit. Like where you had it, Jacob. So we're gonna have to give ourselves a break a little bit. I think we should just chill here because we've gotten a long way.
Just go to Walmart?
Yeah, go to Walmart, get the oil, let our arms build up some fucking muscle.
See,
so we can. What do you think?
Come this way.
Yeah, because it still needs to go up over the freaking pressure plate, right?
No, if I would
I
pump
think
it
it's in through there.
Yeah, if I would
It's just
pump
that
it
back end. This thing doesn't have like an.
alignment pin.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go take a break.
Go to the
We're bolting up the tranny right now. It's pretty much flush. It looks pretty good actually. We just gotta put the starter on real quick, right there. Starter's down here. We're gonna put that on that area right there. 2 of those bolts. Tranny is almost all the way bolted up. We're gonna finish up tomorrow. It's Friday. Get a early start on this. Tighten everything up. Put the drive line in. And the carrier bearing. And the yoke and whatnot. A lot of stuff to do. Gotta put the diff in. Make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. And like the video as well. Totally forgot to say we got back from Walmart and got freaking oil 5W30 for this. And right now I am finishing up bolting the transmission to the block. So they all left. Jacob, Dylan, appreciate you guys a lot, like always. Especially when you help me take this apart and you help me put it back together. It's awesome. Great experience with you guys. It's helping me out. I'm learning. We're getting somewhere. I don't know how far I'm gonna go into this. I thought I was gonna cut the video and just go home when they left, but I decided to stay and finish bolting up the transmission, like I said. So, yeah, we'll get into the car here. So, this will be drug on to a part 2. I don't think it's very long already, but we'll see. I'm gonna start putting some footage up on Adobe and a little bit of editing before tomorrow. I think I said before, we gotta put the slave cylinder in, and I tightened this one up. I gotta tighten this one down, and then I think that one up there? Where's it at? Where is it? That one. Yeah, that one right there. The blur right there. This hella long extension is helping. It's making this job easier than it was when we were taking it off. Ooh, we're tight. This is where I'm ending part 1, but I just wanted to show you guys that I finally got it all bolted up after almost 2 years? It's been like 2 years. Yeah, it's all bolted up with the help of Jacob and Dylan, which is awesome. These are all good. Now I just got to put the slave cylinder in, like I said. So, stay tuned for that. That will be tomorrow. And we'll see how long these clips are. So, yeah, peace out. Welcome back. This is part 2. of doing the clutch and putting the transmission and hopefully doing the drive shaft tonight. We're gonna see how far we get with this Beamer tonight. Let's get to work. Doing a recap right now. We got the transmission bolted up, said that last night. And just gotta do the slave cylinder. So we're gonna take this line off and re-bleed that. Then gonna put the drive shaft on here with the new yoke, which I don't know where I put that. Yeah, back here. Taking out the freaking windshield sprayers because we just weight reduction. We found a wire that was just hanging and we were like, oh, what? Let's just see what that goes to, and it goes to these. So they're getting deleted right now. Goodbye. We deleted the windshield wiper fucking water thinger sprayer up there, so we gotta delete the tank too. So let's take that out real quick. Bust this out. Alright, yeah, just drop all that. Yank something off somewhere. Sensors. I'm gonna make a mess. Yeah, we'll be back.
Let me see it.
Yeah, we're getting somewhere now. Take all these sensors off.
Alright.
That's gonna need, cut one of them.
Wait for this to be on.
Delete.
That's mine.
So that's mine now.
Nice. Jacob got the shifter hooked up.
Hell yeah. She
All
feels
ready to
stiff. She
go.
feels nice.
And we're still working with this stuff. We're actually over there. Yeah, you guys saw it. We're deleting stuff.
I
Yeah,
get the slice.
it's coming along. All right. So like I was saying earlier, before ADHD got to me and we started doing something else, we're doing the slave cylinder now. We're gonna put that in the transmission up in there and switch that out with this, the newer one.
Put your hand like press it in or something.
I'm pushing it in a little bit with the foot.
Okay.
Pushing the clutch in. I feel it draining. You need it more?
Actually, where's the new one? Where's the new one? Ah, right here. Keep it where it is. Is it all the way pressed in?
It came back up, I think.
Huh?
It came back up.
Oh.
Yeah, I keep pushing it down and it'll come back up.
Push it all the way down.
It's down. Is it draining? The fuck is that? Alright. We'll be back. Putting on this new slave cylinder right now. Nice.
We pretty much established where everything.
Clutch line is hooked up and now we're bolting the slave cylinder up to the transmission. We had it backwards, but we got it now. Slave cylinder is mounted to the transmission. Jacob is taking off some kind of shield. I don't know what it is.
Getting in the
Just
way.
a heat
is what it
shield
is.
of something. Yeah, it's getting in the way. We're gonna strip that out real quick. I am gonna purchase a new exhaust here soon. So that will be coming in the next couple weeks to a month probably. And we put this cross member on. We just gotta bolt it up real quick. Next step. Cross member is bolted up here and here. Holding the transmission now. We are about to do the Guibo yoke, whatever it is, carrier bearing and all that stuff back here, which is lying right here. Hopefully this is all focused.
Oh, close the diff on there real quick.
Jerking them or messing with the diff. We gotta put the diff to the axles, rear axles and whatnot.
So, I think there's.
Alright, we got jerk. We got Clayton over here. We're about to throw in the diff real quick and then bolt up the axles, rear axles, and have that done. Alright, we're bolting up a rear axle right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. under here. Let's hope we don't get monetized, but we should be alright. Sorry guys, kind of a bit everywhere on this video. So we're trying to do like all three things at once. We got so many people doing all these different things, and I'm trying to keep up on filming. But they're in there trying to bolt the diff.
Yeah, it did.
Something I forgot about. Diff bolt was broken when I hit the wall 2 years ago. So yeah, gotta get a new one of those tomorrow. Somewhere at Lowe's or Surplus City. Somewhere, I don't know. But we did get the diff in. If we can see right there, yeah. That's up there. I'm just bolting up the axle right now. And he's got the other two. These are bolted in there.
You might be able to
He says he got us a spare bolt in there, so we should be good. Oh, looks alright. Moving on to the drive shaft right now. Putting that in. Jacob's already under there. Managing all that. Oops. I'm sliding this extension in there. Oops. We got the Guibo bolted up. Yoke, whatever you want to call it. I'll be calling it two different things. First drive shaft piece is in. Carrier bearing is bolted up. That's a new piece. Jacob's got the second half to the drive shaft. And then that's going to the diff back there. Ouch. Ow, that burned me. Friggin' fricka. Back it out just a little bit, yeah. There. Now just find it, play with it. Alright guys, I tell you what, we've got a lot done. I think I'm gonna break this off into another video of where we get the car running and I have to go drive it around a little bit around the storage units to get the car like through the gears and whatnot in the transmission and or get the clutch going and whatnot. Mess with the car in a different video. I think we're gonna call it a night here in the next like 20-30 minutes because it's almost like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock or something like that. So it's getting late. Yeah, I want to get home and finish editing what I've already started about this video, which this is the second half. So yeah, peace out guys. Make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more. Subscribe, definitely. I want y'all to do that. Got a bunch of people from TikTok coming over to my YouTube channel, which is awesome. Greatly appreciated for that. But yeah, make sure you guys have a nice night or day, morning, whatever time it is that you're watching this video.